Hello everybody and welcome to my update test. Today we are reviewing my Indesit XWA91683 washing machine. Let's see the programs. So here we've got Sport Cycle which does 30 degrees at 600 RPM. Dark Cycle which only does 30 degrees at 800 RPM. Anti-odor which does 60 degrees, so 1000 RPM. Delicate which does 30 degrees with no spin. 5 is Wool which does it 40 degrees at 800 RPM. Duvet which does 30 degrees at 1000 RPM. White Cotton, it's known as your Cotton's Wash, does 90 degrees at 1600 RPM. Cotton Standard 60 degrees at 1600 RPM. Cotton Standard 40 is 1600 RPM. Synthetics at 6 degrees with 800 RPM. I thought it would be 1000. Colors does it 40 at 1600 RPM. Cotton Standard 20 does it cold, which is 20 at 1600 RPM. Ecosynthetics is at 800 RPM with cold, and of course you got your loads of rapid cycles. So you got the refresh rinse, which is cold at 800 RPM. Then you can do it to 30, which is half an hour wash at 800 RPM, 30 degrees, and an hour wash, which is 60 at 1000 RPM. And of course you got your Easy Iron, your extra rinse cycle, which is not available on that. It's available on that cycle. Extra rinse is available on, not available on number 2. It is available on number 3. It's not available on number 4. Available on number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14, you can't do it on that, you can't do it on that, and you can't do it on that. Rinse cycle, I don't think it would do an extra. Oh yes, it does do an extra. Rinse and spin drain wouldn't do that. And so that's that. And of course, if you want to do push and wash, you press that button for 2 seconds. It'll run a 30-degree program for 50 minutes with then speed 1200 RPM. I know that 11 does stuff in like 1 hour and 45 if you got a full load, but it'll be less if not. Of course, you can vary the spin speed and the temperature accordingly. So inside, of course, this is a 9 kilogram washing machine, which is 2 kilograms larger than my girlfriend's, and it has the same kind of thing, but it's more rubber bit, but it's more narrower. Of course, it's got an energy efficient motor in it, and a very nice drum and a huge porthole door. Of course, inside you got main wash, pre-wash, and that, but only put stuff in your wash because I've tried that before and it flooded. that was on a Becker washing machine, but really would have done the same thing. And it's almost the same layout, but I've got to say on my update test on that it's halfway down there, and through the middle is that on the right and that is on the left. So thank you for watching my update test on an LED display professional Indesit washing machine, and I will see you again next time.